Welcome to Clever Packing, the simple but powerful tool for streamlining your packing process. Clever Packing sits between your warehouse picking and shipping process, making it easy to pack orders accurately and efficiently, all while staying connected to Business Central. With Clever Packing, every item you pick is tracked in real time. Once your team has completed a pick, then move into Clever Packing to confirm packaging, weigh items, and can even print the documentation. Depending on your setup, Clever Packing can also ship the order, post invoices automatically, and can be integrated with our Clever Shipping Agent integration. To get started, log into the Clever Packing portal. First, choose your packing station. This is where the work is happening. Then, select the packing operator, the person packing the orders. Next, scan or enter the container number for the picked items. Clever Packing automatically creates a packing order in Business Central and displays it here in the portal. If any items require special packing instructions, these will be shown clearly so nothing gets missed. Clever Packing will suggest the most suitable packaging type based on the order, but you can change this or add extra packages as needed. Simply scan each item as you pack it, and once complete, weigh the package using your integrated scales or by entering the weight manually. When everything is ready, select the shipping agent service and click Complete. Clever Packing will then post the packing order in Business Central, ship the order automatically if enabled, print delivery documents, and if set up, even create and post the invoice. With Clever Packing, you can also suspend orders, reallocate them to other packing stations, and track all completed packing activity directly within Business Central. That's Clever Packing, a faster, smarter way to bridge the gap between picking and shipping. Get started today and make packing simple.